Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go in VR, which is currently only possible through unofficial methods. To begin, you will need a compatible smartphone and a basic VR headset designed for mobile phones. This setup allows you to create an immersive experience by mirroring your phone's screen and utilizing its motion sensors. It's a creative workaround for fans seeking a new way to enjoy the game. First, download a reliable screen mirroring application that supports VR mode on your smartphone. Next, carefully place your phone into your mobile VR headset, ensuring it is centered and secure for optimal viewing. You will then need to calibrate your phone's gyroscope within the app settings to ensure smooth and accurate head tracking as you look around. This step is crucial for a comfortable and believable virtual reality experience. Once set up, you can use your head movements to naturally look around the Pokémon Go map, giving you a new perspective. To interact with Pokémon or Pokéstops, simply focus your gaze on them for a few seconds, simulating a tap. Remember, your real-world walking still directly translates to your in-game avatar's movement, so you'll still need to explore your surroundings to find new creatures and items. For the best experience, choose a lightweight and comfortable VR headset, especially if you plan on longer play sessions. Be aware that running Pokémon Go in VR mode can significantly drain your phone's battery, so consider having a portable charger handy. While this method offers a unique perspective, it's an unofficial workaround. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday adventures. Enjoy exploring the world in a new way.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.